Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an amazing opportunity for anyone looking to establish their online presence. If you've ever dreamed of launching your own website without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Let's talk about Hostinger. Unbeatable offers. Hostinger is currently offering up to 80% off, which means you can launch your website for as little as $2.49 per month. But that's not all. When you sign up now, you'll also get 2 extra months free, along with a free domain. Pick your perfect plan. Whether you're starting a blog, an online store, or showcasing your portfolio, Hostinger has a wide variety of products and services tailored to grow your idea online. Plus, you can get started with complete confidence thanks to their 30-day money-back guarantee. That means it's completely risk-free. Web hosting with performance you can trust. With Hostinger, you'll experience unmatched website performance, high-speed hosting, and security you can trust. Remember, your growth is their goal. No more worrying about slow load times or downtime. No coding skills needed. One of the best parts about Hostinger is that you don't need any coding skills to build your website. Their AI-driven website builder allows you to create your dream site in just 3 simple steps. It's never been easier to get your ideas online. Conclusion. So, if you're ready to take the plunge and start your online journey, now is the time. With Hostinger's unbeatable prices, excellent performance, and easy-to-use tools, your online success starts here. Don't forget to check the link in the description below for more details and to grab these amazing offers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. Thanks for watching, and happy website building with Hostinger.